What's up guys, my name is Phil, welcome back to Miranda Detailing. In today's video, we're going to be showing you two awesome products that you can use in your mobile detailing services. So guys, we're working on this black Cadillac. Now, when you see the paint, it has its fair share of swirls. We're not doing any type of paint enhancement or correction or anything. This is a mobile job, it's an exterior only, but we're using a ceramic polishing sealant. Now, the product we're using is from Puris, and it's working incredibly well. So check out the products first, and we're going to show you how the paint is turning out in the full sun. Granted, it is a little chilly. It's not super hot and humid out, but it is still in the full sun. So it gives us a good idea as to how it's going to react in the heat. So the paint itself is warm. It's a black car, and it's in the full sun. So here's the products that we're using. Got my little pocket here. This is from Puris. It is their Jade A60 caliber ceramic silica polish. Now, this is considered an all-in-one. You can use this to actually polish the paint as well, and it leaves behind a really durable ceramic sealant. It boasts up to 3 to 6 months, depending on how you take care of it. Now we're topping it with this A68 Reboot 2.0. So these work hand in hand. So we're using it like a quick polish. It has the sealant built in, and then we top it with that right after. Now this paint again is kind of hammered. We washed it, we clay barred it, and now we're actually using our little SPTA polisher. So let's show you how to apply it and the results. So we're working on the hood, but I'm just going to show for demonstration purposes on the back of the trunk. So this is how much of the product I'm using. It's just on a soft black pad, so really no type of correction being done here. Put it on low. Again, no pressure, no high speed, it's just application, and it's lightly polishing it. So let's take a look at the results, and let's see how easy it wipes off. Not bad at all. And if you do see some smearing, just use extra towels. Wow, that worked extremely well. And now we're just going to apply a spritz of the Reboot on the towel and work it into the paint. Again, this is working so well out in the sun. It's awesome. So here is the paint now. Here are the results. Man, it looks really good. And I know it's swirly over here, and it's most likely covering the light marring and swirling, but also the mechanical action of the pad will remove any of the light marring left behind by the clay bar. But the results are really impressive. So again, guys, the Puris, their ceramic silica polish, their Jade A60 caliber for the basically a ceramic polishing sealant, and then their Reboot, their ceramic silica spray, their A68, to top it. So basically with this stuff, it doesn't really say you have to wait for it to haze or anything like that. Because it is kind of an all-in-one polish, you can remove it right away, and then we're topping it with the Reboot. So it makes it really easy to use. And if you do want to use this as more of a paint enhancement, then increase the cutting pad. So get an Orange Lake Country pad and or whatever medium cutting pad of your choice, and then work it slower, work it a little longer, and you'll get more cut out of it, of course using that pad. So pretty awesome results. Okay guys, so we are going to fly around the vehicle, get it sealed, get it looking amazing. So let's put this on a little time lapse, and then we'll show you the afters. So guys, the results are incredible. And I know, look past the swirls, because it is swirly still, but the gloss, the depth, it's incredible. Now, at first, when you do initially wipe off the sealant, it is going to seem a little greasy, a little smeary, but just use multiple towels, and then using the Reboot 2.0 on top of it will clear up any smearing and leave a super slick surface. So with these two, you should get, I say, at least a solid 6 months out of it. Of course, depending on how it is maintained, how it's washed. The customer does wash it himself carefully, no machine washes or anything like that, so that's good. So this will remain very glossy and protected. It looks incredible. So this stuff could be used as a great all-in-one also. If we were to polish this with an orange Lake Country medium cut pad and do slower passes and actually do a paint enhancement type of pass, this paint would clear up. It's very soft. So it would clear up and look almost like a full paint correction. That's how soft the paint is. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for the video. This thing is looking incredible. So these two products from Puris are amazing. You can get them on the Extreme Details website. I'll have the links down below. Go check them out for yourself. For mobile guys, this stuff really does work well. Now granted, it's probably around 45 degrees, so it is a little chilly, but it is still in the full sun on a black vehicle. And the paint is pretty warm. It's not hot, but it's warm. So that's a pretty good indicator that this stuff should be able to work in heat and humidity. But we'll see when the summer comes, and we'll use it on our mobile jobs and see how it responds. But for now, the paint looks so glossy and deep and wet. It is awesome. And you should get really good protection out of this, at least up to 6 months, especially if you're topping it with the Reboot 2.0. That's kind of its counterpart that you can top it with. And the paint is so slick and glossy. It is awesome, awesome stuff. So again, if you want to get your hands on it, check out the links down below and let me know what you think. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a great week. Take care.